Animal Company's new update has just released, and I'm going to see what is new. So I've heard that, like before I do everything. Stupid toilet. So I heard, oh yeah, gimme. Oh yeah. I think green is better. Hold up. Shoot, we're looking fire, bro. Look at this. We're looking fire. Hold up. Let me try the new. Hold up, Hold up, bro. This is looking fire. Hold up, bro. This is peak. Alright, let's just double check. Hold up. Let me grab a weapon for this. Alright, so that's forest. Hold up. Alright, let me check around the map before I go into the graveyard. It doesn't look that different. All I know is that there's these pile of leaves. Yeah, the picture's changed. Taxes. I think that's what it says. Yeah, let's go. Oh, shiver me Tim. Hold up. Let me get something. I need a grappler. Oh no, there's zombies. Oh shoot, bro. Hold up. Should I get a crowbar? No, I think a bat would be good. Hold up. Isn't there a new weapon? Oh shoot, there is. Lance. Lace. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna get... before I go in there, I'm gonna grab this weapon. Because I don't know what it does. I'm gonna find out. Look, where? The lance is this way. Shoot, great sword. Oh shoot! What does this do? Do anything special? Shoot, we'll find out what it does. Alright, now the big reveal. I also heard that, hold up. I also heard that there is a new, what are these called again? Oh shoot. No permission. Hold up. Do this. Let's go. Oh, weird. Where the heck is this stupid VHS tape? I found it! Oh gosh. Boom. Oh shoot. Oh good, I'm getting jumped! Oh my god, they don't do that much damage. Oh my god, I'm getting jumped, bro. Oh my. Actual. I'm getting jumped. Put this right there. Hold up. Where's that? I'm stupid or something, bro. Huh? It's broken. That seems to be broken. Doesn't matter though. We'll be going into the graveyard. See for ourselves. So effect. What up, bro? Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Ammo! Oh, that's cool. Hold up, I see. Any more stinkies over here? Get away! Get away! Ooh, this thing's overpowered. Oh gosh. They're coming in! Oh gosh. Let's go. Hold up. These keys might just go here. Hold up, bro. Chill! Chill! Go away! Hold up. Yo, hold up. It's supposed to be important, bro. Oh, shoot. Oh, my... Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Oh, Jesus Christ, bro. Jesus. I do not like that thing, bro. Kill it! Oh, jeez. Get away from here! This thing's invincible, bro. What the actual heck, bro? Get away from me! Get away! Oh. I don't like this. Where's the heck? Stupid camp. Do I at least get one good thing from these chests? Oh shoot. If I put these in the fire. Oh shoot. Hold up. Did they actually go in? Oh shit. They did. Hold up. Oh my god. It's better to use. Nope, I'm cooked. I'm cooked, bro. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away. Dude, why is it red? It's cool, I guess. Hold up, is that gonna jump scare me? Am I gonna get jump scared? I don't wanna. Is there a way to like disable everything? Oh shoot. I wish I had help. Oh god! Get away from me! Get away from me! I'm her! Get away from me! Stupid freak! God. Oh. How much did that do? Oh shit, it's gonna be a while. Zombies are annoying, bro. Yo, what if they drop the zombie? Oh, shoot. Like, this is it. Shoot. 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 Get away from me. Give me this ammo. Hold up. Dude, look at all these keys, bro. Okay, give me. Oh, what? Please don't jump scare me, bro. Please don't jump scare me. gonna jump scare me. I know for. I do not like that. Shoot! Screw you, stupid zombies! I'm gonna get jump scared. Oh, good! Stupid zombie! Hey, man! Oh, shoot, shotgun. Why does that jump scare me, bro? That's not fair. That's not fair, bro. That's not. Oh my god! That actually does damage. I heard this healed you, bro. I heard. Oh my god. That does not die. Oh shit. Why is it this? Shoot, that does give me health. Bam! Die! 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 So far, this is a pretty good update. I don't like the fact. Go away. Shoot, bro. It's gonna take forever just to spawn this stupid boss. Yo, can I beat them up? Oh shoot, can't. Oh my god. Oh god, bro. Why does this hurt? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get out of the way, bro. Get away. Get away. Get away. I don't like you. Don't be scare me. Oh shoot. I'm like a quarter of the way there. Let's say that. I need to heal. Shoot. Why? Stupid trumpet monster. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Was that? Oh shoot! Zombie trick! The hell is this? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, I think I drank some. I don't feel so good. I feel high right now. Get away from me, you foul beast! I need... Oh, it'd be cool if I had more help, you know? Yo. Can I put like... Shoot, that'd be Dude, these stupid graves over and over again. I don't even want to dare going in there. Stupid. Get away from me! I don't even want to dare going in here, bro. Scary. Oh, there's some zombies. I'm good. I don't think I should. Oh god! Oh god! Nope, I'm good. You just gotta run. Just gotta run, bro. The skulls are heavy. Shoot. Oh god. Hey, buddy. I hate you. Oh god, bro. What do you do? Why do you dare? Why do you do? Oh my god. No, screw you. I'll be done. Shoot, is that a Sith? Nah, never mind. This sword is actually pretty cool. Shoot. Man, why can't y'all just leave me alone? Why can't y'all just leave me alone? So far, this update has been pretty cool. How far are we at? Man, this is gonna take forever. It's zombies. Yeah, that's what I thought. Punks. Can't beat me. I'm better than all of y'all. Shoot. Hold up. Still don't know if... Wait, oh shoot. These count as weapons, so I guess I'll take them. Hey, find me like a man. Oh, I'm... Why the hell? Shoot, bro. You can't beat me. I solo all of y'all. I still hate that chest monster. Hey. Shoot. It's looking pretty good. Shoot. Yo, did that blood drink like save me or something? Shoot, die! Die! Oh god. These zombies do so much damage. When you're getting jumped by multiple zombies, they do so much damage. Hold up. Is that chest monster still there? Oh my. Come here, bud. Shoot. Where'd that go? Oh shoot! Oh my. Best thing is honestly, yo, if you could put these in your headsets, that'd be a W. Because you can't. I hate this game. Another one. Get me out of that. Oh, shoot. Oh, fight me like a man. I need more of those zombie crates. Makes me feel good. Make me feel wonderful. Like I just had some drug or something. Get away from me! Hold up. Jesus Christ, there's a zombie on my tail. Oh, he's almost done, I think. Hold up. Yeah, halfway done. Yo, they're coming! They're coming. Oh, shoot. Yo. I don't know. I got an opening. I have one on the loose. Yo, this dude. Yo! Circus! Oh, this is about to be the best update ever. It's about to be the best update ever. Yeah, bait me like a man! Oh shoot. How did that happen? Oh shoot, oh my god! Jesus Christ. I don't like the fat, I don't like this. That's scary. This has honestly been the most scared I've ever been in Animal Company before. I'm not joking. Sacrifice. Best item in the game. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, did it drop something? Hold up. Hold up, bro. I want to get jump scared again. Oh shoot! What is that thing? Now that I think about it, I want to kill it. Shoot up. Oh shoot! Shoot! Stupid. These look sick. How does these work? Oh shoot. Oh god no! Oh god no! Oh god no! Put that there for a sec. Does this like work as like normal skulls? Where'd that go? Where'd my thing go? Where'd my skull go? Whatever. I need my RPG. Put this in. Hopefully it counts. This looks pretty sick. Shoot. Yeah, get away, punk. What the hell? Get away, punk. This should give me a bunch of... Shoot. Oh my god. It's almost done. Yo, that's the strat. Killing these, bro. Killing these. Should that be happening? Hold up. Killing those are the strat. Even though I might get jump scared. It's better to kill him. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Where are these stupid little chest creatures? I know I left one somewhere. Yeah, you. Oh god. Where the hell did this stupid hellion go? Stupid coward. Yeah, that's what I thought, punk. Hold up. No, if I just put these in. Shoot, stupid skeleton. Stupid zombies. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Hold on. It's about to be peak. About to summon. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god darn it! What is that thing? No! No! I don't like that thing. Oh shoot. You know what, bro? We're going prepared this time, bro. Shoot. Screw this stupid. You know what, bro? You messed with the wrong person. Oh shoot. It's okay, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We don't have to end this way. We don't have to do this way, bro. It's fine. I'm sorry. It's okay, bro. I need ammo. Oh shoot, bro. Oh shoot. I need ammo. I need ammo. Maybe. Stupid coward. Come back here. Oh shoot. It's okay, I'll be back again. I'll be back. I don't like this. I need to be more prepared, bro. What would work against this thing? Oh, I know. This stupid thing. Hey, punk! Oh god, no! Oh, shoot! Oh god, no thank you, bro. No thank you, bro. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh, no! No thank you! No thank you, please. No thank you. No thank you, sir. No thank you. Oh shoot. Where'd my axe go? Oop. Going. I'm sorry, sir. Sorry to bother you, but... Oh shoot, bro. Ha! You missed. This guy summons zombies. How much health does this guy have? It's full on boss fight, bro. Oh man. Go away! This guy one-shots you, bro. Oh god. Nope. 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 Oh gosh. I nearly escaped. Oh my. Where's the ammo? 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 Oh god, no! Where's the ammo? I need the ammo. Where the heck is the ammo, bro? Why the heck is... Oh God. Jesus Christ. Hey man. You chill, right? Oh God. Bogus. Bogus. This... Oh God. Oh God, no. Please, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Hey. Chill, right? Dude. I said I'm sorry, okay, bro? I said I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. How much health does this guy have? Oh God, bro. I'm sorry. Oh God. No. Okay, bro. Okay, bro.
Jesus Christ!
Alright, so we're having a bunch of guns. And we're gonna the whole bag I'm gonna fill up is full of ammo. It's okay, bro. This guy's going down! I don't care what anybody says. I'm doing this by myself. Jesus Christ. Ha! Punk! You really think you can challenge me? Shoot. Hey, but... Hey, man. Oh, shoot. Oh, God, no. Get me back here. Come back here, bro. Zombies are interrupting the fight. Shoot. Oh, God. This is like... Screw these stupid zombies, bro. This guy has not died. This guy's invincible! This guy's like the worm. This guy doesn't die. Oh shoot, I'm dead. I'm out of ammo, bro. Oh man. Sorry to say, but I'm gonna use boom spears. I don't care what anybody says. This guy's impossible to defeat, bro. This guy, it'll be inevitable. This guy, or I don't know what they call it. Oh my God. Okay, bro. This guy is just straight up. This guy's invincible. Oh my God. Nope, 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 nope. Hey, man. If I go in there, he's gonna be there. Oh God, dope. Okay, bro, this guy has... I shot in 3 boom spears at this guy. This guy's invincible! Okay, bro. Trust me when I say this. This guy's invincible. This guy's impossible to kill. Oh God. Stupid zombies, get out of my face. Okay, that time I just missed. That's okay. No, about him. We're killing this guy no matter what people say. I'll kill this guy and make sure that his head die. Screw you, bucko. Okay, whatever you say, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Shoot, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for assuming you. Accusing you. Okay, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry. Oh god, no. Does this guy heal or anything? Because I don't want to deal with this guy. Okay, bro. Bah, 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 bah. Oh god. God. Hey man, I'm not gonna die today, bro. I've shot this guy with, like, at least multiple times. Hey bro, hey, will you, like, maybe give me a break? Oh god, I can't damage this guy, bro. This guy's impossible. Oh shit, bro. Oh no! Okay, I got an idea. Bring this just in case. Oh my god, this guy's invincible. I don't know how much I'm gonna say that. But I think it's true. Shoot. Oh god, bro. Oh god. Yeah, punk. Punk, what are you gonna do? Oh god. Bro, this boss has so much health. Oh my god. I'm dead. Oh shit. Shoot. I'm sorry to say, but oh my god! That took way too. That looked too. Oh shoot! It took way longer than it should have expected. Test out my new weapons. Oh shoot! Stop! Shoot! Hell yeah! These are going in my stash, bro. Hold up, please tell me that didn't just disappear, bro. Flamethrower skull. Please, I need this. I'm gonna end this right now.